Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys one powerful website that will give you cheap foreign numbers. Now, in the website, they have free virtual phone numbers that you can use to verify any kind of SMS verification you want to verify, and also they have private paid virtual numbers that you can also use to verify all the platforms. I know most of you guys have been looking for phone numbers to use to verify your WhatsApp, your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and thereabouts, but you don't know where to get them. So in this video, I'll be showing you these powerful websites that will enable you to get these numbers, these working numbers, and they are free. Yes, they are free. You don't have to pay extravagant amount of money to get these numbers working for you. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is our channel. We do awesome things. We drop tips on how you can get free things from the internet. And also, if you haven't subscribed, I urge you to smash the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. So let's dive into the tutorial of today. So the website we are going to use to get these awesome numbers for free and the paid ones is called Tiger SMS. I know most of you might have not heard about this website, but this website is a very strong website that gives out virtual phone number or SMS, any kind of SMS you want to send. If you want to verify your Facebook, look at it there. You want to verify your Facebook, your Viber, your WeChat, your WhatsApp, your Amazon accounts, Telegram, Gmail, anything you want to verify, this website will help you do that. If you want to create a foreign PayPal account or you want to create a foreign Apple account, this website is going to help you do that. Or you want to create a Google Voice account, this website is going to help you do any of this stuff that you want to do. And the good news is that you are getting it for almost free. It's very cheap. Now let's go on this WhatsApp area and see how much USA WhatsApp costs in this area. You can see that USA WhatsApp costs just $1 here. Now if you want to get a WhatsApp from Brazil, you are seeing 0.77 cents. You can imagine how cheap it is. Now if you want to get from Canada, you can see 0.24 cents. So almost 18 cents, that's what you're paying for it. So you can see how cheap to get phone numbers on this area is. So you can change to WhatsApp to, let's say, Facebook. Go to Facebook now and see how much we can be able to get a Facebook verification number from USA. You see 0.14 cents, let's say 0.25 cents for you to verify your Facebook account with this platform. Remember, I told you guys earlier on that this platform has a free options for you to try them out if you want to try them out. But you know what happens to free things? Free things don't last, because free things don't really work most times because everybody is using it. You're not the only person using it. They have options for free. If you come to the website, you click up on this area that says free numbers. If you didn't see that, you can scroll down to the end. You see free numbers here. You click on it, it's still the same thing. You can get your free virtual number just to receive SMS. You can see them here. These are the free numbers here available for you. These are the free numbers here available for you. You can check the countries here. Checking the countries now, you can see that you have the free number from USA, Canada, and Sweden. So depending on the one you want to use, you can be able to use them here. But I advise you to get a paid one because it's very, very cheap. It's very, very cheap. I've not seen any platform that's selling a virtual number as low as $1. It's just this platform here. I've been using this platform for a long time. I've been using this platform for a long time. And also, if you want to become a supplier with them, I'm going to make another video explaining how you can be able to make money with this website. If you want to make money with this website, if you want to be selling virtual number to other people, people that don't have any idea where this how to reach out to this website, if you want to be selling virtual number to them, I'm going to make a video showing you guys how you can do that and take the opportunity of this low number and make money for yourself right here in 2026. So you can actually buy low from them and sell high to other people. That's business. You're not doing it because you are wicked or anything. No, you're doing it because you want to survive and make money for yourself. So I'm going to make a video showing you guys the scripts that you need to get from us so you can be able to use that to create wealth for you. So signing up in this website is very easy. You can just click on the sign up button here. I say sign up, put in your email, put in your password, and then put in your contact. If you have Instagram, WhatsApp, WeChat, etc., you can put it, but it's optional. It's optional. So it's optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want it. So after that, you click on this verify your human, and then you register your accounts. But now I'm not going to register my account because I have an account with them. I'm going to click on login. So I'm just going to click on login here and log in with my email. I'm going to log in with my email. So I want to show you guys how the dashboard looks like. So logging in with my email now, it's going to open up straight up to the user dashboard. Now, if you want to top up your account, this is where you do that. You click on this top up area. Clicking on this top up area, it's going to ask you to choose your preferred payment method. And then the payment method you can use is Visa card or MasterCard. There's option here. There's option for you to pay with Alipay or WeChat. There's also options for you to pay with your cryptocurrency here. Now, if you don't have a virtual card, I am going to plug you into this website here, Referral.co. This website here gives you a free virtual card after your registration and verification. Yes, they give you a free virtual card, a Visa virtual card that you can use to make payments online. And also, if you are getting this, you are getting a global account. You're getting accounts in pounds, in UK accounts. You're getting pound sterling accounts, and also you're getting a United States account all in one. Yes, you're getting all these accounts just by creating accounts with this platform. Yes, so if you want to create your virtual card, you just need to sign up with them by clicking on this get started. I'm going to drop my referral code down below so you can get discount during your first creation. So it's very, very, very important. It's very, very important. If you want us to be making content like this, all those informations we're dropping on the descriptions just to create accounts, it's very, very, very important you use them so you can get the opportunities as a new user. So you can get the opportunity as a new user and also make use of it on your own. Now, going back on this website, once you purchase your website, once you buy your number, you're going to see your number on this history area. It's going to be on this history area. You're going to see your number. You can use it multiple times. Remember, you are using it multiple times. It's not just for one Facebook. You are using it multiple times. So hop on this website, guys. It's very, 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 very important. Hop on this website, guys, so you know how to get phone numbers at a cheaper rate. Also, I'm going to tag a video to this particular video showing you guys how to build an SMM panel SMM panel that you used in boosting accounts. So I'm going to show you guys on this video. I'm going to tag this video actually. I'm going to tag the video to this video so you guys can watch the video and like know how to do that on your own. But if you're interested in getting the scripts, we have it available. Just send us a DM. I'm going to attach my WhatsApp number here so you can text me, send me a DM, and then get the script from us. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also go through our videos. We have awesome videos that's going to be helpful for you. Do well to watch them, guys. Do well to watch them, guys. So see you on the next one.